Oh, right. I'm along at the maize fields and I'm going to be putting some poo out. Look at that lovely poo. Only a farmer would think poo is lovely, wouldn't they? Look, I've got this here, look. This is what we dumped along here earlier in the year. Just ready to put out over what is going to be the maize field. I can't believe how much greenery has grown on this field. Bearing in mind this was bare in, what, end of September when we harvested it. Here's a clip of the harvesting. So you look at that, look, I mean, this is all regenerated. We've got a right mix here. Surprising what comes up from bare earth. Look, there's the clover there. And then we've got some chickweed. Not sure what that is. There's some groundsel. And there's some grass there. And there's sort of like a, I'm not sure what this is, like a red dead nettle. A sort of red nettle. Docks, obviously. Dandelions. It is quite amazing actually how just a piece of bare earth just regenerates on its own, you know, because the seeds are obviously in the soil from previous years. I mean, look at it, it's completely green. We're not going to spray that off, we're just going to plough it straight back in, I think. So I'm just putting a load of muck on it because the maize loves muck. It needs a good feed. I've got the old loader on, got the muck spreader on. The people who keep saying, why don't you lift the hinges? Well, unfortunately, I've got a bit of a problem with the, let's have a look around the back. This lid's a bit bent and it doesn't open, and the hinge, I've lost the bolt there. Needs sorting out in the summer, so I can't open the lid, but that's okay because I've loaded up before. We just tip it in with the loader and get on there. But well, it's not a very nice day. It's pretty wet. I kind of think this is getting me used to going to Ireland. You saw Minor Farmer P's announcement earlier in the last week or on the weekend, talking about going to Ireland, going to the National Ploughing Championships. Really looking forward to that. Never been to Ireland. We did take the mickey a little bit, but it was on our video, but it was a mickey out of ourselves really, not the Irish. I'm looking forward to meeting some of the Irish followers there, and just, you know, I think British farming's quite a lot, certainly in the West Country here with the rain, pretty well, very similar to an Irish kind of farming really. A lot of family farms over there, so I don't know, you know, we're not going over there to sort of say, here we are, we're wonderful. We're going over there just to see what it's like in Ireland. I've never been to Ireland, and it'd be nice if when we're walking around the ploughing championships, we get to meet some other people that follow us, you know, watch what we do. But my knowledge of Ireland is quite low, really. So, you know, it's weird, isn't it? You don't know about a place, so you go there, I guess, you know, visiting. You sort of get all the kind of information you watch on the telly. We don't get a lot of news about Ireland over here, not farming anyway. So I'd be really curious. I think it's just very similar, isn't it, to the Welsh and the Irish? We're all kind of on this. Well, I think if you take a line across the map from where I live to sort of Dublin area, it's not far. It's on a line like that, all wet, all rain. Because someone did say to me, "Oh, come to the Irish Ploughing Championships, bring some wet weather gear because it'll be raining." I thought, yeah, I know what that's like. It's blooming horrible today again as usual. Not having much of a fun spring, have we? I'm not taking Veronica with us. I couldn't get a flight for her. There was irregularities in her passport, let's say. Anyway, right, Ken Bruce. Another thing, some people said to me, why haven't I done Popmaster? I've got to get on with this flipping edge, with this muck spread. It's basically because my radio up there, look, can you see it's well dodgy? I'm scared of retuning it because I can't find it. I wonder if I can find Ken Bruce on my phone. I'll be back in a sec. Let's have a look. I've got to install the Greatest Hits radio app, I think. I'm planning to do that. Try Google Play. I don't want that. Right, let's get back on that when I've downloaded the app. Right. No, that was Radio 2, we don't want that either. Right, I'm going to try and get some of this loaded up while I'm waiting for that app to download. I wonder if I'll get it in time for Ken Bruce. Oh, that's a good lump of plop there. What a horrible day. Unloading the plop. Unloading the plop. Steaming up in here now, I just put the fan on. Oh, that's good stuff, that is. That is proper good stuff. Right. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely. Oh, that smells right, that does. Right. Let's just stop a minute. See if this app's downloaded. Oh, I don't like downloading apps to my phone. Radio 2, you could listen to it on. All right, open. Radio 2, you could listen online, couldn't you? But this is probably app only. And really, I just want to. Oh God, what? Log in to listen. I don't want to flipping log in. Oh right, okay. Be back in a second. Right, I got the app now. Listening live. I turned it down because it's playing music. I'll see if we can get onto Popmaster. That's what we're here for, isn't it? Popmaster 3 in 10. You know what I like? I like my 3 in 10 with Ken. So we're gonna be doing Popmaster. I presume it's 10:30 like normal. So I'm just gonna carry on with this, and then we'll stop for it. All right? Cracking on with Ken. Come on, Popmaster. Let's go! Ken on Popmaster, he's got someone phoned in. He's just had Prince on. What's he doing now? It's a bit hard to fathom. Oh, hang on. There we go. He's doing Popmaster now. I'm gonna have to stop. I'm no good with technology, as you can see. I'm trying to muck spread as well.
Exciting stuff, actually.
Right. That's still going. Oh. How do you pause it? You can pause it. I've just paused it. I presume you're not pausing live radio. Right, I'm muck spreading on this. It's struggling a bit, this old tractor on here. We'll get up in the end. It's not warmed up yet either. I haven't been driving. I've only just done this is the first load of the day. I want to get all the muck on this field this week because it's just easier to get it out of the way, and then I can phone up the contractor and say, look, we've got the muck on, when can you come? Just do it. I got the seed already. Anyway, I'm going to get going on this, and then we'll stop for Popmaster on this, on 3 and 10. It's been a long time since I've done 3 and 10. You know how bad I am at it. I haven't done it since Ken left. Ken left Radio 2. If I get the radio sorted, I will get it sorted so that I can find it, because it's on FM, isn't it, I think. But at the moment I haven't got it sorted on the radio. Right, let's crack on with this. And then we'll stop for Popmaster. Look at that, lovely. This year after last year's bit of a disaster, really. That's done. Right, let's get back. Let's get back. I got Ken in my pocket. Here we go. You can't hear him. I can hear him warbling away there, chatting to someone doing the actual quiz. Let's get back up and park up, and then we can have a look what he's on about. I'm not techie, you know. I think if you're, you know, any young lad probably got those earbud things. Greatest Hits Radio! Got those earbud things and they listen to them in the... I can't be asked with all this stuff, to be honest. I just want to stick a radio on, and I'm a bit old fashioned like that. But I'm sure you can get Ken on the radio. Stick that in. Right. Oh, he's on the music track now. Let's pause that. Oh, Ken. Right. I'm going to... let's get another load on, because by the time I've got another load on, he's probably done, ready for the next round of the quiz. Right. And then I'll get 3 and 10. Welcome back, 3 and 10. Oh, it's time for Popmaster, maybe. Oh, flipping out this weather. Whoa, come on, England, sort yourself out. I've had enough of this flipping rain. I don't know what you like at home where you are, but God, down in the West Country, all we've had is rain and flipping. If it's not raining, it's freezing cold. I'm very lucky I've had the cows out, but I know some people haven't even managed to put them out yet. Flipping. But it just gets you down a little bit, really. You know, it's like if you're trying to do work and you want to get on. I'm lucky this isn't affected, really. Let's see what Ken's doing then. Come on.
I'm going to see if one two boys, three adults, and a three.
It's not, I'm afraid.
It's not, I'm
actually
afraid.
Blondie at that. Okay,
Right.
here comes your first bonus question. On the Osmonds, I'm going to play you the Osmonds' first UK top 20
Right.
hit, but can you name their only collective chart topper?
Right, that was Crazy Horses, isn't it? Right, let's get. I'm just gonna. Well, I'll just wait here to do 3 and 10. Then I'll just turn this off, and we'll when we get to 3 and 10, we'll be back.
That's how the
Here we go.
It is, if only you'd had that choice.
We are nearly on 3 and 10.
You better. Anyway,
Carol messed up.
you've got yourself a one-year-out t-shirt, okay?
When you're out, t-shirt.
Yay!
Lovely, right. And, of course, 30 seconds of our
Oh, loads of hellos. Hello, everyone.
Great. I'd like to say hello to my son Lawrence, who's going to be listening on catch up. Sheila, Kat, and Sarah.
Good old Sheila, Kat, and Sarah.
Robbie, Joy, Kerry, Andrea, Tony V, Karen and Denny.
3 and 10 people.
B and Ali. Everyone at Nice and Easy events. Audrey,
Oh, she's-
Sarah in Blythe.
She's got entire list, the whole world. She's got to say hello to.
West Raven, Zumba and Cafe.
Oh, come on.
Dabs, on and on, the Parker's Arms crew, and everyone at Thomas Deacon.
She knows a lot of people.
Especially, and Longhurst.
Right.
And everyone who knows me.
Wow.
Just about it, right? You know somebody in
Everyone in
Blythe as
time.
well, as Al.
Yes, Marie and Sarah, my lovely friend and
Oh,
yeah, it's a
come
great
on.
place. I'll be up there later in the year.
Yes.
You and Alison can get together.
Right.
Exchange scores. Never mind.
Right.
For the 3 and 10.
Never mind. Let's get on with the 3 and 10. Come on.
Talk to you today. Thanks for being on.
Come on.
Thank you.
Bye.
Right.
That's Carol Paxton of Peterborough, Cambridge. So here's Alison ready to do 3 in 10.
Come on, Alison. And the Funky Farmer posse. Come on.
Right then.
We're going to nail this.
The titles of 3
UK chart
single
hits
chart hits.
4.
3 and 10.
Manic Street Preachers.
Oh.
If you tolerate this,
Yeah.
I can't think. I'm going to get it.
I like Manic Street Preachers as well. I can't name any of their stuff.
Well, you
Oh.
got that one certainly right away. If you tolerate this, your children will be next. That's fine for
What
us.
else?
A Design for Life, Autumn
Yeah.
Song.
Right. I'm going to shut that down a minute. I don't know how to... Right. Have I close all apps? Right, I closed that. So, 3 and 10 is back. Ken Bruce on the app until I get radio sorted in one track or another. Don't think this one... Where's this one radio? Doesn't even work in here now. Anyway, right. Cracking on. Let's go with the muck spreading up. Ken Bruce is back. And I didn't get the Manic Street Preachers. Right, let's get going.